Welcome to another episode of
Business Unsolicited Advice for the Next Generation, aka Buang.
We have Engineer Michael Loy with us today.
Our featured Buang.
And one of his passion is fish keeping. So after Engineer Michael bombs this drive, let's ask him how
Advice first.
let's ask him what his advice is for those who want to start trading high value fish worth 500,000 pesos.
Nanabod na. Ang usual mindset magud sa mga first time fish keepers is maluoy sila ba pag dili ko makakaon ng isda. Your obligation to the fish is to change the water, not to feed them. You must change the water more frequent than you let them eat.
PETA, don't feed the fish.
Common cause of death kay mahugaw ang tubig kay sige pakaon and then malibang and then dili naga-change og water kay kapuyan. So ang energy ninyo na ipakaon, i-change na ninyo sa tubig. Arwanas, pero I started with goldfish. Dugay ko sa goldfish.
Karang araw na mapalit ron na sa bang kiloan, pilang kilo na.
Wala na yung hindi makaon, pero yung bukog.
Thank you, Engineer Michael Loy. Wow.